Welcome back, aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Tesla Inc., the company that revolutionized the automotive industry with electric vehicles. But Tesla's impact goes beyond cars. We'll analyze their business model, exploring how they integrate energy products and innovations. If you're an entrepreneur looking to start your own business, this is the perfect opportunity to learn what it takes and understand the pros and cons. Let's jump right in. Before we begin, let's take a moment to understand Tesla's business model. Founded by the visionary Elon Musk in 2003, Tesla started with a clear mission: to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. While their initial focus was on electric vehicles, they have expanded into energy storage solutions and renewable energy generation. Tesla's business model is built on three key pillars: electric vehicles, energy products, and innovation. As an aspiring entrepreneur, you're probably wondering what it takes to start a business like Tesla. Let's break it down into key components. Vision and purpose. Tesla's success stems from a strong vision to create a sustainable future. Having a clear purpose and aligning your business with a larger goal can serve as a guiding force and inspire your team and customers. What is your vision for your business? How will it contribute to a better future? Talent and expertise. Building a team of skilled individuals who share your vision is crucial. Tesla's team comprises engineers, designers, and industry experts who bring their talents together to drive innovation and overcome challenges. What skills and expertise do you need in your team? How will you attract and retain top talent? Capital investment. Starting a business like Tesla requires substantial capital investment. You'll need funding for research and development, manufacturing, marketing, and infrastructure development. Securing investors or exploring funding options are crucial steps. How will you secure the necessary capital? Are there potential investors or funding programs that align with your mission? Innovative technology. Tesla's success is intertwined with its cutting-edge technology. To compete in this industry, you need to develop or acquire innovative technology that sets you apart from the competition. This might involve partnerships, patents, or extensive research and development. What innovative technology will be the cornerstone of your business? How will you ensure its development and protection? Supply chain and manufacturing. Building a robust supply chain and establishing efficient manufacturing processes are essential. Tesla has its gigafactories worldwide to produce vehicles and energy products. This includes sourcing raw materials, managing logistics, and ensuring quality control. How will you establish a reliable supply chain? Are there partnerships or local resources you can leverage? Distribution and sales. Having a well-defined distribution network and effective sales strategy is vital. Tesla's direct-to-consumer model bypasses traditional dealerships, enabling direct interaction with customers. This approach allows for better control over the customer experience and potentially higher profitability. What distribution channels align with your business model? How will you create a seamless customer experience? Regulatory and legal compliance. The automotive and energy industries are highly regulated. Ensuring compliance with safety, emissions, and other regulations is crucial. This may involve navigating complex regulatory frameworks, investing in testing and certification, and engaging legal expertise. How will you navigate the regulatory landscape? What steps will you take to ensure compliance? Branding and marketing. Building a strong brand and effectively marketing your products are essential for success. Tesla's brand image is synonymous with innovation, sustainability, and luxury. Investing in branding, storytelling, and targeted marketing campaigns can help establish your business in the market. How will you develop your brand identity? What marketing strategies will resonate with your target audience? Now that we've discussed the components needed to start a business like Tesla, let's dive into the pros and cons of this business model. Let's start with the pros. Innovation and disruption. Tesla has disrupted the automotive industry with its electric vehicles and advanced technology. By embracing innovation, you have the opportunity to redefine industries, capture market share, and position yourself as a pioneer. How can you incorporate disruptive innovation into your business model? What existing industries can you revolutionize? Sustainability and social impact. Tesla's focus on sustainability resonates with consumers who are increasingly conscious of their environmental footprint. Building a business that aligns with sustainable practices can attract a loyal customer base that values eco-conscious products. How can you integrate sustainability into your business model? What social or environmental impact do you aim to make? Diversification. Tesla's expansion into energy products and renewable energy generation diversifies their revenue streams. By integrating various products and services, you can tap into multiple markets, reducing dependency on a single product or industry. This can provide stability and flexibility in the face of market fluctuations. How can you diversify your product or service offerings? What complementary industries can you explore? Strong brand image. Tesla's brand is synonymous with innovation, cutting-edge technology, and luxury. A strong brand can differentiate your business from competitors, create trust among consumers, and command premium pricing. How will you build a strong brand? What unique aspects of your business will resonate with customers? Direct-to-consumer model. Tesla's direct-to-consumer sales approach eliminates the need for traditional dealerships, enabling better control over the customer experience and potentially increasing profitability. It allows you to build a direct relationship with customers, gather valuable feedback, and tailor your offerings to their needs. How can you adopt a direct-to-consumer model in your business? How will you ensure a seamless customer experience? Now, let's explore the cons. Capital intensive. Starting a business like Tesla requires substantial capital investment. Developing advanced technology, establishing manufacturing facilities, and expanding globally can strain your financial resources. Securing funding and managing cash flow are critical challenges. How will you raise the necessary capital? Are there alternative financing options you can explore? Industry competition. The automotive and energy industries are highly competitive. Established players and new entrants pose challenges in terms of market share and technological advancements. Differentiating yourself and capturing market attention can be difficult in such a crowded landscape. How will you differentiate your business from competitors? What unique value proposition will you offer? Regulatory hurdles. Navigating regulatory frameworks can be complex and time-consuming. Compliance with safety, emissions, and other regulations is crucial, but it can slow down your progress. Staying up to date with evolving regulations and investing in compliance measures is essential. How will you stay compliant with industry regulations? What steps will you take to ensure ongoing compliance? Supply chain complexities. Building a robust supply chain and ensuring efficient manufacturing processes can be challenging. Maintaining quality control, managing global logistics, and securing reliable suppliers are ongoing efforts that require careful planning and continuous improvement. How will you establish a reliable supply chain? How will you ensure efficient manufacturing processes? Market volatility. The automotive and energy industries are subject to market fluctuations. Changes in consumer preferences, economic downturns, or political factors can impact sales and revenue. Adapting to market dynamics and developing contingency plans are essential for long-term sustainability. How will you navigate market volatility? What strategies will you employ to mitigate risks? Starting a business like Tesla can be an exciting and rewarding journey, but it comes with its own set of challenges. By integrating energy products and innovations, you can make a lasting impact on sustainability and transform industries. Remember, success requires vision, talent, capital, and a relentless drive to innovate. Now, armed with this knowledge, go out there, dream big, and make your mark on the world. If you found this video helpful or have any questions or insights to share, please comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, keep pursuing your entrepreneurial dreams.